Здравствуйте, друзья! Warm greetings from our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to easily make oladushki. Okay, what is oladushki? Oladushki is a small thick pancakes. In ancient Greek, it was called taganias, and for Slavians, it is blini and oladushki. So for making oladushki, it's very simple. You just take all the ingredients, mix them, roll them and fry them. So mix, roll and fry. So let's do it. Ingredients are baking soda, cottage cheese on my left, flour on my right and eggs. We can also add sugar and salt, and the procedures are as follows. So here it is, our babushka special oladushki. This is so tasty, and you can serve them with jam, fruit, syrup, honey, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and press the bell button for upcoming notifications. Goodbye.